So the hierarchical goal framework, the higher order goals are typically fewer in number, more abstract, more enduring, and more important to the individual, right? That's the three goals you saw at the top. Then the lower order goals are more numerous, context specific, short term, and substitutable. So, for instance, if you were setting an academic goal to complete a particular degree, and along your path, one of those courses is no longer offered, but it is required for your degree program. Of course, the university is going to provide an alternative. So that means that that lower order goal towards completing a degree is substitutable. It doesn't mean that you stop your dream. You just may have to take a setback, or you may have to take another course to fulfill that dream. So this is the difference between higher order goals and lower order goals.